Hey there, friend. In this video, we're taking a look at the Apple AirPods Pro 3, but not in the usual launch day way. I've already recorded the unboxing and a quick setup, and after that, I've actually been using these every day for a couple of months. So once we get through the unboxing and the setup, I'm gonna come back to you and give you my real lived-in opinion, including how they compare to my previous daily drivers, the AirPods Pro 2. If you're wondering whether this upgrade is actually worth it, especially if you already own the Pro 2s, stick around because the answer might surprise you.
You know, there really is nothing quite like unboxing a brand new Apple product. Today, I've got my hands on the AirPod Pro 3. Now, I wish I could tell you that Apple sent these over to me, but we know that isn't true. I bought these with my own money, mainly because I'm a huge fan of the AirPods. As you can see here, I've got the AirPod Pro 2s. I use these things on the daily. And, you know, I listen to music, I make phone calls, I watch a lot of YouTube videos, and I have to say my number one favorite feature of the AirPods is definitely the noise canceling. I do like stickers. Do I get a sticker? Come on, Apple, where's my sticker? Stickers? No stickers. Come on, guys, we used to get nice stickers with stuff. Anyway, that's okay. We don't need any of that. We just need the good stuff. So basically, we're going to open this up, we're going to unbox it today, and then I'm going to use them for like at least a good week or two so that I can give you my really unfiltered, honest, raw opinion as, you know, an experienced AirPod user. I had the original AirPods, I had the original AirPod Pro, which one of my sons is still using to this day, and, you know, the AirPod Pro 2s and now the 3s, so I should be able to give you a pretty well experienced opinion on them. What the heck, guys? How do we... There's a little pull tab. Anyway, there we go. Get the sweet stuff. Oh, yeah. Unadulterated by fingerprints, the USB-C. Now, I'm so happy to get rid of my very last Lightning port device, upgrading to a full USB-C life, designed by Apple in California, assembled in China. We've got the little lanyard loop on the side. And of course, this one has a capacitive button, I believe, from what I understand. So there we go. Slightly altered, tightly packed. Yeah, there's that light shining through. Looking good, feeling good. So that's the beautiful product. I'm going to live with them, work with them, enjoy them for a while. And I'll come back through a little movie magic and let you know how I feel. Just to let us have a little peek at what's included in the box. No cables, thanks Apple. And we've just got the tips this year, and they've got a little extra version now. We've got the extra small, small and large. And I'm actually a bit of a weirdo. I actually use, I think it's the right side. I've got two different sizes that fit me best. So, you know, you got to play around with them, see what works best for you. I'm probably going to go with both large, but, you know, you might have to have them custom fit so that they fit best for you. I really wish we got a sticker and a cable. Charging cable would be nice, but you know how it is these days. They want you to pay your own way. Recyclable packaging, it's a nice touch. Appreciate it. Looking forward to testing out the noise canceling and the sound quality.
All right, so now that I've already spent real time with these AirPods Pro 3, here's the honest breakdown. Starting with the comfort and the fit, this one actually surprised me a bit. The AirPods Pro 3, I would say, are slightly less comfortable than the Pro 2s. That's for my ears. That's not bad. They're not painful. They're just not quite as effortless, as smooth, and as all-day comfortable. With the Pro 2, I almost forget they're there. Where, you know, the Pro 3, I'm just a little more aware that I'm wearing them, especially for like longer all-day sessions. I wear them a lot, you know, home with the kids, if I'm driving with the, you know, transparency mode on. They're just not quite the same. Now, the noise canceling, yeah, the Pro 3s, they are slightly better, but I would say just slightly daily. You know, you really have to focus to notice the difference. I was disappointed. I thought they were going to be a lot more. And in normal daily use, it really doesn't change my experience in any meaningful way. They're both excellent. They both block out everyday noises very well, but this alone is not a reason to upgrade. The sound quality is also excellent, just like the Pro 2. They're clean, they're balanced. You know, they're very Apple sounding. They're great, but really there's not much of a difference. There's no dramatic leap forward. You're not going to sound, it's not going to feel like, you know, you're listening to some high-end audiophile headphones. They're just good. They're fine. You know, they are what you would expect. But are they worth the upgrade? You know, that's really up for debate here. So if you already love how the AirPod Pro 2 sound, you're really not missing anything important in my opinion. Who should upgrade? Now, honestly, I had the AirPod Pro 1s, and I've also had the original AirPods. I used to have the wired Apple earbuds. It does make sense if you're coming from the original AirPod Pro. Even from the AirPod Pro to the Pro 2, great upgrade. If you're coming from the original AirPod Pro or the original AirPods up to the AirPod Pro 3, whew, you're gonna love it. Honestly, gonna be a great update. But if you're, and especially if you're coming from the original AirPods without the silicone tips, again, I think this is going to be something you're going to really, really love. In those cases, it's going to feel like a real upgrade with a better seal, better sound immersion, better noise canceling by a large margin. But if you already own the AirPod Pro 2 and you're happy with the comfort, the battery life, and the sound, and you know, and that's the thing, like the battery was starting to get like a little bit worse, but not bad. I could have kept them for 4 or 5 more years. It feels like, maybe not, but at least another year or two, they would have been just fine. The sound, you know, the noise canceling on them is very good. Honestly, this upgrade isn't worth it. You know, but that's just me. The Pro 3, it feels more like a refinement than a replacement. And I think that's because Apple, you know, they did a good job with the Pro 2. They're already an excellent product. You know, they've also got that live translation. I'm a nurse. I did test them out at work in some real life scenarios. It's got a long way to come. If you have two clearly technically inclined individuals who both know how to operate the phone and the AirPods together, I keep them in a case. It's just my style. I like to keep them safe. You know what I'm saying? If you have two people who really know what they're doing with the translation, it can work well. But for somebody who doesn't really get what's going on and you just want it to be seamless and flawless, nah, not yet. It's not ready for prime time. It's a good tool, but it's definitely not something that's worthy of the big upgrade. And it's available on the Pro 2s, and it really doesn't change much on the Pro 3s. So that's just how I feel. They're a great product, but should you upgrade from the Pro 2? I'd say probably not. So, just to clarify, my final verdict is very simple. The AirPods Pro 3 are excellent, but if you already own the Pro 2, you can confidently skip this generation, and that's not a bad thing. It really just means that Apple already got it right, and they've made a great product either way. So get the one that's cheaper and get the one that's right for you. If this video helped you make a smarter buying decision, please consider subscribing. Thank you so much as always. I appreciate you. Thank you so much for watching.